Go to Plugins, then add New. Search Google Translator. Select this option, the one with 100,000 installs. Activate it. Once that's done, press Settings here. Make sure this box is checked so it works. Select any language that you want your website translated in. Make sure this option is set to this. This one as well. This one as well. Now here you can change the color to whatever you want. Now press Save Changes and we're finished. Now I'm going to visit my site. Press the Translate button in the bottom, then you can do the languages you chose.